Most advertisers have their website set up all wrong to run Google ads. They have this idea that you can have one website for all, one funnel to rule them all, where everyone on the planet comes in and they expect it to spit out money on the other end. Well, when it comes to Google ads, you're going to end up wasting a lot of money if this is your philosophy of online marketing and website and funnel development. When it comes to Google ads, you have to be much more strategic. First, you need to understand that not every piece of traffic that comes in is the same. There's 3 keyword levels of people coming into your website. The first people are problem aware, the second people are solution aware, and the last people that come in are product or competition aware. You must have a funnel that is designed to take each of those individuals coming to your site through a process that leads to sales for you. At minimum, you should have at least 3 different funnels to handle the 3 different potential people that are coming to your site and what they're looking for. This is the number one mistake advertisers make when they want to run Google ads, and they end up spending wads of cash on clicks that, quite frankly, can't produce a profit. Shout out to Russell Brunson, give him a free plug here. He produced a book called 108 Proven Split Test Winners. In this book are different funnels for each stage of the process, no matter where they're at, whether they are problem aware, solution aware, or product aware. And you can pick a funnel and design it specifically for them to maximize your sales. Awesome book. Had it for years. I don't even know if he still sells it, but if he does, you need to get one and advertise at the keyword level that people are at.